Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2017 Yamaha YZF-R6 with just under 5,800 miles. Pristine condition. I mean, 5,800 miles on this motorcycle is just pretty much brand new. Does have a Leo Vents upgraded slip-on. Has a custom Dynamics LED integrated taillight, and then TST license plate bracket upgraded on it. Looks nice. Clean body as it can get. You know, it's there's a light, like, let me try to, you can see this color. It's just by getting on and off of the motorcycle. Nothing major. You know, it's unabused, very well kept. Oil changes done to it already. There is just on a casing, there's some kind of scuff mark, but nothing is on the motor or the plastic itself. ABS, traction control actually. Has one key, 5745 to be exact. ABS traction control set to 1 right now. Healthy motor shifts as it should. Light looks nice. Nice upgrade. I like it. Still have the cat, so it could be louder. Just gotta put some love into it. Yeah, it could be louder. Definitely, it could be louder. Very clean bike. And for more details, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.